Prepping up. Finally, finally, we are starting our podcast.
Yes. So we are two brown girls who have decided to start a podcast. We had access to decent earning fathers who could afford us an iPhone. So we just decided to sit in front of an iPhone and
And get
and look
some.
at me calling it not phone, iPhone. Delhi. I'm from Delhi. Yeah.
Currently, we are in Mumbai and we are pursuing our post graduation. And so, this is like going to be very fun podcast channel where we'll
Hoping
be.
so.
Yeah.
People writing this is not fun.
It's okay, guys. Deal with it. We are
Deal with
pretty at least.
Yeah.
Just give us that
That's
privilege.
what we're gonna cash on actually.
Yeah.
We researched some podcasts that going around.
Yeah.
They're either decently famous on Instagram or they had access to
Good people, like famous people. So,
famous guests.
तो
So-
अच्छे खासे उनके पास already like they had followers and all of that. So
Our point is pretty privileged. And who is there
that's
to,
not the only thing. Okay, good content is also one of them. So
but
yeah,
who validated that we are pretty? Each other. It's self-validation.
yeah, So okay. Anyways, I am Sakshi Jain,
And Anurasha Ratra,
and we are starting our podcast channel.
which is called
Girl
Girl
Same.
such bad names.
It's okay.
So our topic is two brown girls trying to start a podcast. So apart from body hair that brown girls are blessed with,
Yeah.
what else we can trauma bond on?
I think we can start with how well our parents know us.
Okay. So
So
how well Sakshi,
yeah,
Jen,
they
your parents know you?
they think they know me, and so half of the time that I've lived away from my family क्योंकि 11th से ही I was in a boarding 11th 12th and then bachelor's also I did outside and now I'm in Mumbai, so I have kind of developed two personalities. एक जो सिर्फ घर जाने के लिए है, I am from Ashok Nagar, so yeah, एक सिर्फ उसके लिए है,
Who
and
takes a flight to
other-
Indore,
Hi,
then sits in a bus,
it's a task.
5 hours,
Yeah, it's a task, but
enters Jen Bhavan.
what?
तेरा घर?
हाँ तो कुछ ऐसा है. So basically, in this podcast, at least in first few episodes, we won't be discussing much about the spicy and bold side because
We come from brown family, and as you know, they can't accept us as we are. So
Yeah.
we'll talk.
हाँ मतलब करेंगे but थोड़ा time बाद once we start with that क्योंकि शुरू में तो obviously our parents would be the first one to watch it.
I
And
know.
few of our friends, actually we only have two friends. Yeah, excluding us.
So in Mumbai, I have 3 friends, one of which is Sakshi,
Yeah.
and we have 2 other friends.
Just two other friends, so let's just say hi to them also. Hi Shrishti.
Hi Devak, shout out to our Marathi,
Only friends.
Marathi community.
Yeah. So let's talk about you. How well you're passing. Let's go.
My parents know me. They know me well, I think post 20 when I could be myself. Otherwise, I think 18 se या फिर just when I entered college, all the discussions were about, can I go to the party, please? So all that like there was a lot of check about that discussion कि मुझे party में जाने दो. And I'm like not exactly from Delhi. I used to go for everything. I have to travel to Delhi because I'm from Faridabad.
Metro is our second home, guys.
हाँ
Just saying.
UK. हाँ so हर चीज़ के लिए दिल्ली ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था, तो उसके बाद उन्हें लगता था पार्टी के बाद how would I come back home, which is fair. That's the thing. After 20, you start realizing your parents were right on some things, and
Yeah.
that's not fun. I don't want to know.
हाँ मतलब I would agree, but हर चीज तो नहीं.
हाँ वो तो है, मतलब हाँ, but I'm just saying कि जब वो पार्टी वाला discussion हट गया, that's when sorry, we started developing a
Real
good bond.
conversations.
हाँ, real conversation.
I wouldn't say that is similar in my case because I don't know. I feel that again, like I said, एक communication gap है काफी ज़्यादा. So, but then yeah, I love my family, of course. What the fuck? You don't have to laugh at.
sorry. So after 20 is when we started, developing a real bond. क्योंकि I can actually discuss with them जैसे LGBTQ plus stuff हो गया, because how would they know? Because when I just entered college, section 377,
Yeah,
it is,
revoked. Yeah,
so it just
LGBT
revoked, and I was in Pearl Academy. Who knows? People who know knows.
okay.
So but the culture, actually liked my college life क्योंकि इन सब चीज़ों पे मेरा perspective काफ़ी open up हुआ था. I realize it now when I meet people my age who are not so open about these things, which is like my mind goes, ऐसे कैसे, मतलब how are you not so open about these things? ये
I think
सब.
अभी भी काफी लोगों के लिए ये बहुत
I
alien
realized
concept
that.
है.
I realized that because now जब we entered to this college for MBA, and there are people coming from different states who are like actually 1 or 2 years younger to me, and obviously Gen Z, and some people were not okay to even talk about it. So it was, I don't know, a cultural shock for me, to be honest. I was not feeling okay कुछ महीनों तक in the college, not because I was just like, okay, it's not my vibe. People are not thinking the way maybe I think, or what I have come from. So थोड़ा सा वो, maybe I needed that, कि there are people in the world who don't think about these things.
Yeah,
So
maybe.
maybe I needed that reality check. So coming back to
The topic.
my parents. So when I entered the college and I got open up about these things and got to know a lot about these things, and that's when I came back and talked to them about these things, क्योंकि उन्हें कैसे पता लगेगा, I go out there in the world, experience new things, and then I circle back and talk to them about कि अच्छा ऐसा होता है,
Can I just say something?
हाँ.
Girl, not same.
So
Because
hmm.
मतलब I have never talked anything of this sort to my parents. Like never ever. I don't know. मतलब maybe I'm just I grew up in that society or in that environment कि पता नहीं कभी लगा ही नहीं कि it is important to discuss this with your parents. Moreover, half of the time again I've stayed away, so काफी communication gap. So yeah, I mean not same here. I mean people would agree जो लोग बाहर रहते हैं, मतलब वो gap आ जाता है because you तो have stayed with your family, no? Like this is I think first time.
Last year only I shifted Mumbai. उससे पहले I was staying with my family.
Yeah, maybe that is why, but yeah, that is very important
But that's
actually.
what I developed. ऐसा शुरू से नहीं था, मतलब they were not open to hear बहुत सारी बातें, like एक age तक they would not allow me to cut my hair, they would not allow me to dress a certain way. It all comes through talking and discussion, which I realized कि करना पड़ेगा, कि पहली बार
So ये युगाशा का वो फेज चालू हुआ था जब उसने हेयर कट किया था.
क्या?
Like badass. अब तो मैं किसी की नहीं सुनने वाली. कलर भी क्या था ना? Don't lie. Blue color.
नहीं, पर्पल करा था मैंने.
See, told you. That is like the girl era.
I need to tell you my first. So my mother for some reason was very against for me. पता नहीं क्या वो मुझसे केश कांति का ऐड करवाना चाहते थे कि क्या, मेरे बहुत लंबे बाल थे.
हाँ क्या?
And they never allowed me to cut my hair. So one day I was in, I don't know, 9th standard, और मेरा भाई और बब्बा सो रहे थे. So I was like, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे बाल काटने हैं. मेरे को इतना भी गट्स नहीं आया कि मैं सिजर्स उठा लूं. थर्माकोल कटर होता है ना, you know that थर्माकोल कटर. तो मैं शीशे के सामने गई और मैंने एक तरफ से बाल पकड़े and I just did
You
like,
did it.
और मैंने पूरा नहीं काटा, बहुत like इतना सा, और मैंने आधा ही काटा और मेरी फट गई. और मेरे इतने भी गट्स नहीं थे कि मैं वो बाल को डस्टबिन में फेंक दूं कि मम्मा को दिख जाएंगे. मैंने वो बाल को पेपर में रैप करके कहीं कवर्ड में डाल दिए, और मेरी इतना ज्यादा फट गई मेरी. इट वाज वेरी लिटिल, और एक तरफ से काट दिए, दूसरी तरफ से गट्स ही नहीं हो रहे हैं, और वो भी प्रॉपर तो कटे नहीं थे, ऐसे ऐसे कटे थे. देन आई जस्ट जूड़ा बनाया मैंने, क्लिप करा अपने हेयर को. आई वेंट टू माई फ्रेंड्स प्लेस asking something about notes, स्कूल गई कि नहीं, फालतू फालतू. मैं उसके घर एंटर हुई and then I was like, I need to tell you something. I opened my hair. It was like this.
I can
It was like this.
reaction.
और वो मुझे देख रही है, क्यों करा? I was like, मुझे
Rebel mode on. Should have said that.
और नेक्स्ट डे मुझे अपने कजन की सगाई पे जाना था, उसके साथ फिर मैं पार्लर गई and the guy was like, he was scolding my friend, ये देखना ये क्या है, she's like
Excuse me.
अभी क्या कर सकते हैं भैया, and he was cutting my
Oh
hair and then I surprised him, yay.
And then
Nothing, I just said कि मैंने straight, मेरे curly hair है ना, तो straight करा लिए थे तो वो थोड़े और लंबे भी हो गए थे, I was like संभाल लोगे, I just said कि मेरे को मन करा और something I said, and it was not very short, इतना कोई difference भी नहीं था, इतने से सिर्फ इतना ही किया था और it was that bad. So I have developed it कि करना पड़ेगा बात उनसे, क्योंकि वो भी जिंदगी में पहली बार ही मम्मी पापा बने हैं, मतलब
Yeah,
they
I
can
mean,
be wrong about
obviously.
certain things. So yeah, that's what I developed खुद से कि करनी पड़ेगी बैठ के, बाद
Hmm.
कोई option नहीं है.
That's
That-
interesting. I mean, I'm proud of you. Definitely. Yeah.
हाँ, तो हम लव मैरिज, अरेंज मैरिज, इन सब के बारे में भी we have a open discussion. I don't think they have any problem. अभी जो मुझे लगता है they don't have any problem intercaste marriage या उसमें, क्योंकि अभी दे आर, क्योंकि इतना दीदी भैया वाले एज ने इतना करप्ट कर दिया ना, एवरीबडी इज चीटिंग ऑन एवरीबडी,
I know.
ना चाहे वो लव हो चाहे अरेंज हो. वन डे माय पेरेंट वाज लाइक, माय फादर वाज वेरी कंसर्न्ड एंड आस्किंग मी लाइक क्या करना चाहिए आशा, मतलब आई वाज लाइक पता नहीं पापा, बस पता होना चाहिए इंसान, दिस एंड दैट. सो मे बी they are open to me discovering, finding someone and settle when I want to settle.
Yeah. I mean, that is like the most important thing.
Hmm.
You know, जब खुद का मर्जी हो तभी you should settle down. So I think I should also start talking about these things मेरे parents से, but
I encourage that. I
yeah,
endorse
please.
that. Do you think you can go for arranged marriage, like your
No.
parents?
I don't
No?
think so. Bhai, arranged marriages, I don't know, it feels like an alien concept to me because obviously, I mean, how can you just blindly marry someone? इधर कट नो भाई, पैसा तो हम कमा लेंगे, ऑब्वियसली तुम लोग हेल्प करोगे ना. तो फिर
Subscribe
yeah.
for saving Sakshi.
Please. My life.
Arranged marriage now.
ओके, बट हाँ, जो अरेंज मैरिजेस पे मतलब जो हमारे पेरेंट्स का जनरेशन है पूरा, हमारी फैमिलीज वगैरह जो भी है, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि दे हैव सीन दैट लेगेसी, क्योंकि उनके जमाने में तो यूजुअली होते ही नहीं थे ना लव मैरिजेस, होते भी थे तो वंस इन अ वाइल. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि अभी भी वही चल रहा है, like you know, they don't want to bust their little bubble and they don't want to accept the fact कि ये भी मतलब बहुत important है to know your partner very well before getting married or anything. Plus this is very weird, और जो मैंने personally observe किया, like मेरी family में भी आसपास के जितने भी अंकल आंटी से मैं मिली हूँ, जितना भी मैंने देखा हुआ है, पीपल वुड बी लाइक इफ यू अगर तुम्हारी अरेंज मैरिज हुई है एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स, तो वो तुम्हारी किस्मत है, हार्ड में जाए सब कुछ, दैट इज रिटन लाइक
तेरे हाथ में लिखा है कलेश.
हाँ, आई नो राइट. ये तो जोड़ियां तो ऊपर से बन के आती हैं, वी कांट डू एनीथिंग. तुमने देख के कराई है ना, लाइक यू हैव सीन द
If your man
थिंग.
is cheating on you, it's written on your hand, bitch.
This is bullshit. And अगर तुमने लव मैरिज किया and then these things are happening to you, हमने तो पहले ही बोला था, और कर लो अपनी मर्जी की शादी, अपने पसंद का लड़का चुन लो. What the hell? It is not making any sense. तो मुझे लगता है कि people need to grow up.
Okay, this is थोड़ा सा
Seriously.
alien concept to me.
बहुत ही weird है, मतलब काफी ऑब्जर्व किया मैंने, काफी लोगों से सुना है. It's not like just one or two, mostly uncle aunties and जितने भी उस लेवल उस जमाने के लोग हैं, freaking crazy man.
What else do Gen Z brown girls face?
I feel
like what the hell is this obsession with aiming and attacking Gen Zs? अभी मेरा
No.
गलती नहीं है ना, मेरे माँ बाप ने शादी करी जब उन्होंने चाहा मैं पैदा हो गई, and then I am doing the best I can in
So,
the
have you
generation.
ever felt something like that or share some experience जो तेरे साथ हुआ हो, where you felt कि तुझे ऐसे बोला गया हो कि तुम लोग तो Gen Z हो, you know
हर
nothing.
सिचुएशन में, वर्क प्लेस when I started working, everything was about कि ये Gen Zs का तो ऐसे, I think there's some, जैसे मिलेनियल्स को हिट करते थे, ये मिलेनियल्स का प्रॉब्लम यही है. नाउ दीज मिलेनियल्स आर टेकिंग देयर ट्रॉमा.
No, पता है, आई फील कि मिलेनियल्स के टाइम पे तो ये टर्म होते ही नहीं थे, मतलब उनको कभी ऐसा फील नहीं करवाया गया कि चल तुम तो इस पर्टिकुलर जनरेशन से हो.
हाँ, मतलब this Gen Z wala, I think this is much of a trend to just
Exactly.
keep on saying that अभी नहीं है ना मेरी गलती, मतलब just grow up. It's very annoying, especially some millennial
अब
people.
we will take care of our children. I mean, उनको देखेंगे वो कौन सी जनरेशन में फॉल कर रहे हैं
हाँ,
just to make sure उनको ऐसा bullying ना हो.
bullying नहीं है, but I just think ये general concept अब हो गया है ऐसा ना. अगर social media आया है और सब लोग scroll कर रहे हैं, it's for everybody.
Yeah,
Even my 60-year-old father would be scrolling because अभी वो उस time पे आया. You can't do anything.
absolutely.
And these alpha Gen Zs वो तो creator बन के phone में मतलब हाथ में phone लेके ही निकल रहे हैं. So the amount of pressure I feel we have right now, as we both do some freelance work as
Yeah.
well, तो अगर वो हाथ में नहीं होता, I get very guilt
Worried
trip.
and
हाँ,
guilt trip,
worried
yeah.
कि भाई MBA के साथ साथ मेरे हाथ में 2-3 freelance कैसे नहीं है, I'm wasting my time, या फिर मैं कुछ start क्यों नहीं कर रही
I
हूँ.
feel because that has been cultivated हमारे brain में, because we have seen, like, we have grew up seeing all these people working from very early age, and you know,
मुझे नहीं लगता पहले ऐसे था. अगर
पहले as in
मेरे
कब?
for example my elder brother who must have studied, उसने अपना MBA किया, मुझे नहीं लगता उस टाइम उसको और कुछ pressure आ रहा होगा. It was enough कि अभी मैं MBA कर रहा हूँ and then we'll see. Right now it just doesn't, nothing
Apply to
feels
us.
enough. Nothing feels enough. Like
True,
there's
true,
no pressure
absolutely.
from families मामले में तो,
Hmm.
but खुद से और society में I think वो Gen Z ऐसा, Gen Z वैसा, these are some annoyed millennials, I'm telling you. These are some,
Just forcing all of things
हाँ, कि
upon us.
कुछ तो है कि Gen Z ऐसे होते हैं, Gen Z वैसे होते हैं, these Gen Z wouldn't know. And I've seen people saying कि कोई सेलिब्रिटी जो फेमस था पहले, these Gen Z wouldn't know. Yeah, we wouldn't know ना, नहीं हुए थे हम पैदा. ऐसे हम कुछ और पीछे की बात करें तो you wouldn't know.
Yeah,
These
exactly.
Gen Z wouldn't know, you know, the OG, this one was, the OG, that one was.
Obviously,
हाँ,
we
I
would
get
not
it.
know. भाई हम पैदा नहीं हुए थे 2000 के पहले. In fact, I think 1997 से होते हैं ना शायद Gen Zs.
मुझे नहीं
Yeah,
पता,
that.
बट मैंने देखा यार रील वाले कैमरा और वो टाइप वाले फोन हमारे, हम क्या डिजिटल एज में पैदा नहीं हुए थे. We have
And I
seen
think
the
this
transition.
97 से लेके 2003, 2002,
Bro, even these 96, 97 kids are these
like
Gen
border millennials,
वो,
like fucking crazy.
हाँ, so
Are we
मुझे
allowed
तो
to use this word?
क्या fucking,
Yeah.
yes bro,
इतना तो चलता है यार.
Yes,
Guys,
bro.
come on. This is
parents, come on.
I like that. Chill. Take a chill pill. You remember that dialogue?
हाँ,
Cookies?
छठो.
Chitto.
हाँ, as a brown girl, have you ever felt कि you have to act dumb or you can't, you know, give your opinions, और मुझे थोड़ा cute और dumb ही act करना पड़ेगा, like that.
नहीं मतलब cute और dumb ऐसे वैसे के उसमें नहीं किया, but then मैंने किया है, but just to avoid unnecessary arguments that people have to put. क्योंकि you know काफी बार ऐसा हुआ है that you are sitting between, you know, amongst these people who are again millennials, and they would, you know, just feel that भाई हमने तो कर लिया है conquer सारा दुनिया, and whatever we are saying is right. So just to avoid that situation, like that has happened workplace पे, and you know random friends group में भी sometimes when you have you know थोड़े अपने age से बड़े friends and all. So I feel just to avoid that sort of situation, argument and debate, I would just say yeah, right. Yeah, you're right, absolutely right. So I think ये हुआ है, like you know, so this workplace पे these people were discussing Animal. That is our favorite movie, guys. Of course, we love it.
Shut up.
हाँ, so these people were discussing about
So
that.
by
and
the way, we took 3 days to watch that movie
Don't
because we
even
were
get
like, we are
started.
hitting on it so much. Let's just watch
Watch
it and
it.
know कि what
क्या
is
है?
specifically there to
Just to
know.
hate it more, of course.
हाँ. तो
Because 3 days and then उसके बाद एक हफ्ते का trauma. That was freaking crazy.
and I
भाई.
just, I get the acting skills बहुत अच्छा था और ये सब whatever it is, but how
was
are
fucking
people okay to it
traumatizing.
and to appreciate
I
it
feel
to this
I
level?
feel
I don't know.
poor for people who actually went to the
Theaters.
theater to watch it.
Bhai, most of the
was-
people loved it. Most
I
of
think
the
that
people
is the
loved it.
problem in India.
Let's
एक
not
तो-
get into it. You were saying.
अलग episode बनाएंगे, but we will discuss about that. Because we want hate comments, of course. थोड़ा तो engagement चाहिए. It's just being honest, like we
Trollers.
said.
Trolls
शुरू में.
make you famous.
Yeah.
You know? Trolls make us famous.
So any which ways, so people were discussing about Animal and they were like, okay, it is meant for entertainment, just take it that way. So उस पे I could have said a lot of things. Like I had in mind कि भाई नहीं है वो entertainment. Like you are maybe educated enough to think, on that level. But I think tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities है इंडिया में जो नहीं है उतना.
मुझे लगता है उनको तो बूस्ट मिलता है कि हाँ ऐसे ही
Yeah,
होना
मतलब
चाहिए ना.
ऐसा ही हो रहा होगा. So
हाँ.
like I could have put up my points, but then I just ignored. Actually, I did not agree with them that okay, yeah, you're right. I just ignored. I'm like, okay, fine, it's your opinion. I don't want to say anything. So yeah, I mean, these are the times that I just keep quiet. I'm like, okay. What about you?
हाँ मतलब I तो have been very open with my opinions, but जैसे friends group में होता है कि they just pointed out that मैं बहुत ज़्यादा overthinker हूँ कि इतना मत सोचा कर.
अरे ये तो feminist type है.
हाँ,
इसके
हाँ.
सामने कुछ मत बोलो.
Exactly.
That should be a compliment, I feel.
It is for me, but कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है यार maybe I'm too difficult कि इतना उन्हें सोचना पड़ेगा कि मोटा मत बोलो पतला मत बोलो. Like these are the things that irritate me और मैं point out करते रहते हैं. They say like अभी इतना ज्ञान मत दे, अभी इतना ज्ञान मत दे. So मुझे कभी-कभी I feel like maybe I'm a difficult person, but then I'm like ठीक है, I'll find someone.
This is who are you?
Yeah, right. Let's end on a lovely note.
Yeah, guys. Cheers. And by the way, what should be the next topic that we are going to be covering?
And also what we can do better. We have just started.
Yeah.
We are not very comfortable talking in front of the camera. We have never done this before. So anything you feel technically, anything you feel content-wise, you want to put down. Obviously,
even personal feedbacks, like if you feel we could do better, just comment down.
Let's be honest. I think abhi there'll be people who know us.
So just DM us or WhatsApp us or Instagram DM.
No, comment down. Comment down.
Right. Mom, please.
Please comment down. Chalo.
So any which ways, I think we'll be covering. So we have recently shifted in a flat. So
we can talk about it.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Please like,
subscribe, share,
जो भी,
and comment whatever you want to. कुछ commenting for better reach भी चलेगा. For now.
क्या?
Commenting for better reach. So this is like a very famous comment on LinkedIn. People do it. Like commenting. This is
They just like commenting.
They don't even write that CBFR.
Huh?
Yeah, that's like very common, extremely common comment on LinkedIn. CBFR. So guys, CBFR.
Sakshi's a creator on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
We'll link that below.
Yeah, follow me there also.
Link our Instagram below. Check us out.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Check our Instagram out only. Don't check us out.
Sorry, check our Instagram out.
It sounded so wrong.